Hi, welcome back. So now that we're finished with the basics of Git and all of the commands that come with it, we're going to be moving on to Git branches. So this is a little bit of a more advanced topic. So let's just view a little bit about what we're going to be doing in this section. This section doesn't have that many videos, but it's completely focused on branches in Git. And the reason we're doing this is because it's such a big topic. There's a lot of things and there's a lot of moving pieces, so bundling them together with another Git section just wouldn't really make sense. So we're gonna really take our time with this and make sure that we get every single piece of branches down, including theory, application, just like all the other sections about Git and the terminal even. So here's what we're gonna do, and here's our game plan. First of all, we're going to cover the theory behind Git branches. So we're going to be introducing it slowly, talking about some of the uses, just going through it very slowly so you get a good, clear idea of how branches work. So we're going to be doing it just like that. And the reason we're doing this is because it's important to have some sort of an understanding of how Git branches work before we actually start using them, because they look really nice and easy in a sort of visual GUI or a picture, but once you start using it in the terminal, it gets really complex, and it's just better to have some sort of an understanding and to be comfortable with it before we move on to creating them. So after we cover the theory, like I said, we're going to move on to putting it in the real world. So we're going to learn all of the different commands and functions that come with Git branches, and we're also going to learn their uses and how you can use them in your real projects. So let's get started.